In this video, we prove that if a and b are positive real numbers, a1, a2, b are in arithmetic progression, a, g1, g2, b are in geometric progression, and a, h1, h2, b are in harmonic progression, then the equality is true. This question is asked in IIT JEE 2002 main examination. In fact, it was question number 1. Let us do it. First point, we are given that a, a1, a2, b are in AP. A, A1, A2, B are in arithmetic progression. If they are in arithmetic progression, then we know that there is a common difference. Let D be the common difference. Then A is equal to A, that's obviously true. A1 must be equal to A plus common difference. A2 must be equal to A plus 2 times common difference. A3 must be equal to A plus 3 times common difference. Okay, we don't got A3, we got it B equal to A plus 3 times common difference. Now, can we conclude something here? Observe that A plus B equal to A plus B equal to 2A plus 3D and A1 plus A2 equal to 2A plus 3D. Those two are equal. So first observation is A plus B equal to A1 plus A2. Let's call this one to be equation 1. Again, is A, H1, H2, comma B are in harmonic progression. Once again, A, H1, H2, comma B are in harmonic progression. If they are in harmonic progression, then their reciprocal are in arithmetic progression. So 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, comma 1 by B are in arithmetic progression. So as we proceed similarly, we can say that 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. Let's call this one to be equation 2. Lastly, we are given that A, G1, G2, B are in GP. Once again, A, G1, G2, B are in geometric progression. Then we can conclude that AB equal to G1, G2. If you believe, well and good. If you don't, let R be the common ratio. A equal to A, B equal to AR, G1 equal to, B equal to AR cube, G1 equal to AR, G2 equal to AR square. Fine. Then AB equal to A square R cube and G1, G2 is also equal to A square R cube. Those two are equal. Let's call this one to be equation 3. Okay, now somehow we want to show that G1, G2 divided by H1, H2 equal to A1 plus A2 divided by H1 plus H2. Can we do it? Of course, yes. Observe the equality 1. A plus B equal to A1 plus A2. Observe the equality 2 we get. If we simplify it, we can write it as A plus B by AB. We know the value of A plus B in terms of A1 and A2. We know AB in terms of A1 and A2 by equation 3. So by equation 1, 2 and 3. By equation 1, 2 and 3. By equation 1, we know that A plus B equal to A1 plus A2. But if I write it there, then I'll get A1 plus A2. And then how about AB? AB is G1, G2. So G1, G2 equal to 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. We can take LCM H1, H2 and write it as in the numerator H1 plus H2. Are we getting the exact expression? Somewhat similar but not exact. A1 plus A2 divided by H1 plus H2. Let's rearrange it. We divide by H1 plus H2 and say that A1 plus A2 by H1 plus H2. And then if we multiply by G1, G2, we get it. Yes. Okay, we obtain something, and that is this part. How about this one? If we know the value of h1 and h2, then we can find this one as well. Can we find the value of h1 and h2? Yes. You see that 1 by a, 1 by h1, 1 by h2, 1 by b are in AP. So from there we will be determining the value of h1 and h2 in terms of a and b. Let's do it. Once again, 1 by a, 1 by h1, 1 by h, 1 by h2, 1 by b are in AP. If they are in AP, we got common difference. Okay, so 1 by a equal to 1 by b equal to 1 by a plus, this is the first, second, third, fourth term, so 3 times common difference. So common difference equal to 1 by b minus 1 by a, but we got 3 as well, so 1/3 of 1 by b minus 1 by a. Okay, we know the common difference. From there, can we find the second term? Yes, 1 by h1 turns out to be 1 by a first term plus common difference. That's equal to 1 by a plus 1/3 of, if we simplify it, we'll get ab and then a minus b, which we can further simplify and write it as 3b plus a minus b in the numerator. Can we simplify it further? The answer is yes. And we can write a plus 2b by 3ab. Again, 1 by h2 is the first, second, third term. So 1 by h2 equal to 1 by a plus 2 times common difference. 1 by a plus 2 times common difference is 1/3 of 1 by b minus 1 by a. So yes, 1/3 of a minus b by ab. Let's simplify it out. LCM is 3ab, so we got 3b plus 2a minus 2b. That's equal to 2a plus b by 3ab. Lastly, we want to find the value of g1, g2, 1 by h1, 1 by h2. g1, g2 we know it to be equal to ab. 1 by h1 we know it to be equal to a plus 2b by 3ab. a plus 2b by 3ab. 1 by h2 is 2a plus b by 3ab. We cancel ab out and write it simply as the final answer, a plus 2b, 2a plus b divided by 9ab. So we proved the first equality as we did earlier, and lastly we proved that g1, g2 divided by h1, h2 equal to 2a plus b by a plus 2b by 9ab, and we are done.